is the painting of victory here in Russia. Those are Russian people who celebrate victory. And this is the second line of Kiyevskaya. Look at the sailing. They have a very nice lamp, very old lamp actually. Look at this. I think it's made of a stone. It's made of a stone. It looks amazing. As you can see, there's no beggar here because it's not allowed. And a lot of police here just to look after those people so that everything is safety. It's clean. They always clean every day. You can't even see the cockroach or rat or flies because here it's clean, old but very clean. Look at this. And also the painting. It shows those Russian people, show the history, how they lived before. Very nice actually. This is part of their history. And Russian people, they are proud of it. Salute to all Russian people.